Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how to replace this Renault Clio battery. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Very common key fob used for Renault Clio, Escape, Captur, Megane, Laguna, Kangoo and more. Pretty easy. So first we'll have to take the cover off, okay? You do that by pressing from the button, you see here, two buttons, upwards. Up, so just like that, okay? Then you see it pops. Once again, from the bottom, you don't need to apply a lot of pressure, and up. We take the cover off. As you can see now, here you have the emergency key. Just in case you're locked out of the car, you can use this to get inside, in case the Clio battery is dead. Anyway, we have to take this cover off. We take a small flathead, right here, underneath, and comes off once again, right here. You take it out, and now we have the battery. As I mentioned, CR2032, okay? To take this, I use this side with the screwdriver, gently, and it comes off. Okay, now I'm gonna take, this is a good battery so I'll use it again, but basically I put it just like that underneath and I press underneath and press. Okay, let me show you again. Face down, okay, underneath the plastic and press. Now all we have to do is to make sure that this side is here, flattened, and we press again. We're all good. Now we take this side once again up, this side is down, this side is up, and gently we put it all back together. So that's it. Please like this video and comment below to support us if you have any question. Thank you very much.